Alright guys, so this video is going to be a little bit different. I thought it'd be fun to film me kind of organizing my single shadows. So I'm going to kind of like put music on as I do it, unless I have something to say, then I'll start talking. But mostly it's just going to be like a really chill video as I organize my shadows and how I decide. I don't even really have a game plan, so I'm just going to start. My only thing I know is that I am going to be throwing away all these pressed glitters because they're super old. And I literally hate pressed glitters with all my heart, so these have to go. Okay, so I have a few palettes I probably won't be moving shadows from, like my Lethal Cosmetics one I need to put back because I want to review these. So that'll stay together. My Dragon Prism palette from Enchanted Luster Cosmetics I'm gonna keep together because I need to do a comparison using that. I have this palette here, which is all my Mater Makeup Lab singles, and I just need to throw this one away because it's literally horrible. That's gonna go. But let me know if you want to see a review on these because I'm not a big fan and they're a smaller indie brand. So maybe putting a review out would be helpful for people who are wondering if they should buy them. But my experience so far has been that I don't really like them. So I'm going to leave those together just so you guys can let me know if you want to see my thoughts on them. And then I'm going to keep my Divina together because I plan on filming a full review on these. I was going to do it last night, but I ran out of time. So I'm going to save them because I want to do a full brand review video on this one, so that one's gonna be put to the side as well. All right, so one thing I know I wanna do is I have this palette here, which is my Give Me Glow, and it's all my 37mm shadows, and then I have one here, which is my JD Glow, and I really want to combine these as well as my Sugar Pill, and if I have any other shadows that are this size, I want to just put them all together. So here's how that one's looking. It's all fine. There's a little bit of room, but I'm gonna try not to think about that. Ooh, I'm actually gonna leave this one as is as well because this is from Prime and Base Cosmetics and these are not magnetized, so I'm not gonna put myself through all that work right now. All right, so at this point, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take the rest of the shadows that I have out of their packaging and out of their palettes and put them all over. obviously gotta go clean this palette. So I'm slightly overwhelmed. Can you tell that I have problems? I think what I'm gonna do is just make it easier for myself and start by putting, should I put like my face products together? Would that be a smart decision? I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm running out of space. I think I'm gonna do the random colored highlighters, the duochromes in a different ones in a different thing. So there's one little face palette there. I'm gonna use this little palette here and I'm gonna put my more like interesting colored highlighters. If hopefully they'll all fit in here, we'll see. Okay, one more. How do I make this work? This is gonna be in my blushes actually. Okay, so now I'm again overwhelmed. I kind of really wanna do some type of like inner corner palette. So I think I'm gonna do that. I don't wanna do too many because I still want some inner corner shades to be in like dispersed through other palettes, but I'm just gonna do it in this. Wait, maybe I should leave this one. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna put them in here because this is like a cute little palette. That way I have a good variety, but not all of them. So I'm just gonna pick the ones that stand out to me the most. So there's my little inner corner palette. Next, I really want to do a mixture of like pinks and purples, but also I want to do like blues and greens together. So maybe I should like figure out a way to organize those, but it's kind of overwhelming because there's just so much here. I'm gonna move my little square pans because I just know like these are gonna look unaesthetically pleasing in anything else. So I'm just gonna put them here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do pinks and purples, and I'm just gonna do randomly because I'm a mess. So there's some like pinky, purpley, I don't know. I guess it looks okay. I think I'm gonna do another pinky purple palette and do some peaches in that one. So there's another little one. Maybe I'll do some blues and purples now, maybe. That could be fun. All right, I'm just gonna start putting some in and just kind of, I don't even know what I'm doing, honestly. I'm just doing something. Maybe I'll do some like pinks and greens. Maybe I'll do some warm tones here. This one's gonna be some cool tone, I guess. Do some yellows and greens and I guess a purple. putting some of the more interesting shades that I have left to the side. Okay, I'm making some sort of like summery color scheme over there. So like a little summery palette. Okay, I'm kind of tired, so I'm just gonna put the rest into this big one that's empty. Okay, that is everything for now. So hopefully this wasn't boring. My camera's about to die. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.